Ito, Coach Jerry, ano mo nga ito? Ipalaparin mo yung paliwanag ditong invisible effort. Sabi daw ay working hard isn't enough. Kailangan daw nakikita yung hard work mo na yun. Kasi nakakarinig ako, uy, okay yan si Lala. Bakit? Silent worker yan. Para bang pupurihin mo pa siya na silent worker yan. Tahimik lang yan, pero grabe trabaho niyan. Aba, sabi dito, mistake pala yun. Dapat pala, pinag-iingay mo.
Mali.
Visible dapat. Pinagmamalaki mo.
Ano yung kailangan? Bibo-bibo ka? Ganon?
Bibo ka dapat?
Tama, totoo yun. Ito sabihin ko sa inyo, familiar kayo sa libro na 48 Laws of Power, one of my favorite books. So 48 Laws of Power, tinuturo yan. If you achieve something, you create something, huwag mo itago, ipaalam mo. Anything that you hide na achievement is useless. Pangit pa ito.
Coach, teka lang. Meron akong ano dyan. Hindi ba boundary to mayabang naman yan? Bragging yan?
Hindi.
Sasabihin sa'yo, humble, #humble bragging.
Well, nagiging mayabang siya depends on how you show it.
Okay.
Diba? For example, kunyari, meron kang na-achieve, pinaresent mo. How are you presenting it? For example, medyo exaggerate ko lang Okay, these are the sales I achieved this year. Nobody has achieved this yet. I am the first. Yabang.
Yabang.
You can just simply say, you can just simply say na, everyone, this is what I achieved this year for our company. So we grew income, we gained profits. So para sa
Hindi komportable si Lala. Yung tama ano lang siguro. Yung saktong...
Lala, normal na yun. You really have to show your achievements. Kasi, pag hindi mo pinakita, hindi rin makikita ng boss mo. So yung boss mo, wala siyang rason i-promote ka.
Pinapagsuggest ko na lang kasi, Coach, makita sana nila ganon. Kasi, talaga.
You have to display it. You have to display it.